what discipline is. Is that waking up early in the morning? Is that hitting gym every single day? Or is that something which makes us uncomfortable? In this video, we are gonna wrap around the meaning of discipline and how it can lead us to success. God has given us so many capabilities that we can't even imagine. But most of the people have designed discipline in the most boring and painful way. But psychology says that when something feels enjoyable, our brain wants to repeat it. And it can only be consistent with those things which are rewarding and engaging. That's why most people fail, not because they are lazy, not because they lack discipline, but because they have designed the meaning of discipline in such a way that to them it feels like pain and suffering. But here is when everything changes. When discipline does not feel like a punishment, but it feels like playing some games to such a level that it gets hard for us to be inconsistent in life. That is what separates the successful people from the ordinary ones. Remember, discipline is not something that we have to force, but it's something that should be the part of everyone's life.